Hey everybody, welcome back to the Fox Shop. I cannot see a darn thing on my phone right now because the sun's rather bright. But here at the Fox Shop today, it's only about 45 degrees out right now. All harvest is all done. Ground's all tilled up, everything is done. And well, first off, with the brown truck here, been looking at that. I've actually had it in the shop, and I think it's leaking oil from the oil pan, actually, up where the I guess that the oil pan gasket was replaced. I think they said 2000, whoever owned it before, and that's what it looks like to me. So I don't think it's the valve cover or the that rocker arm cover or whatever they call it, but I have the gaskets for that anyway. So I'm thinking I'm gonna probably take the intake plenum off of that and the valve cover and that rocker arm cover. I think it's called something else, but anyway, I think I'm gonna probably replace all of that. And maybe if I'm lucky, I can just tighten up the bolts on the oil pan and that will take care of it. It really doesn't leak a lot, but a little bit here and there. So she does drive good. It does need a new battery. If I don't drive it every day, I have to charge it up. Buddy, he's got a lump on the left side of his neck, and also a place on his neck that's kind of wet. I don't know if he jabbed himself. Could have jabbed himself out there in the burn pile, or maybe he got bit by something. It doesn't really look like a bite, but he's got a pretty big lump over there. So kind of watching that. Just noticed it yesterday. I don't know what he's eating, but looks like he has an infection or something of some kind, so I may have to take him to the vet, I suppose. I've already put enough money into that one. I put $500 into her so far because of her, this ear was all swollen up. Now she's got kind of a cauliflower ear, but not too bad. But anyway, well, hold on, let me get over here. We're gonna go over the old gas station building. Probably getting a little bit of wind noise here, but let's get in here. And Jesse's probably wants to come in. Come on, because it's warm in here. Actually, this little heater that I got actually warms up pretty good. I mean, the wind's blowing pretty good. Yesterday, the wind was blowing about 45, 50 miles an hour, and we had rain, and it was pretty nasty. And it was pretty quiet in here. And the temperature is, I don't know, it was between 50 and 60 degrees, I suppose. And I had that sitting, well, I actually had it sitting down there. Started out in there and then put it under here, and it actually kept it pretty warm. But doing this, turning this old gas station building, this used to be up in town, and I am turning this into my little cooking shack. I can open that, hold on, I can open that window right there. And as long as we have a west, north, anything but a south wind, I think this is going to work pretty good. I have yet to do a cook down here. I think I might do that tomorrow and put that up on my little on my cooking channel, The Hungry Fox. If you look that up, you're probably going to get, I think, kids books or something. So look up the Fox Shop BBQ. And that should get you there. It has the same, pretty much the same logo as this channel, except he's holding a fork instead of a wrench and has an apron on. But anyway, just haven't really done a lot down here either. I got the, hi bud, you want into? Come on, pal. Come on. Kind of need to do something with this door. It had electric run to it and replaced some fuses and stuff, got some electric going, and just kind of, I've got electric ran, so I put a outlet in here so I can radio and run that heater and stuff. I need to put, probably gonna run another one. I know it's kind of redneck or whatever, but probably run another one over and run it maybe through the top of this door, because this is all metal in here. And run over here. I need an outlet over here. I'd like to put the TV that's in the shop up over there. I need at least one more of these lights. That actually works really good. I got that from Menards. That's only a 60 watt little light. Just screws into that socket there. But probably get another one of those, or maybe 100 watt, I'm not sure, and put one or two along here over where cooking and stuff, and an outlet, maybe a couple outlets, I don't know. But I actually think when it does get cold, might need another one of these heaters, but I can't think these walls have any insulation in them because this building is really old. But it really stays fairly warm in here. I mean, right now it's, what did I say, 45, 50 outside. I'm not 100% sure, and it's a touch over 70 in here. And haven't been down here very long, so it really warms up pretty good. I mean, that heater puts out heat about like a air register would for your furnace. So just need to rig up a couple more lights, but I'm thinking tomorrow I might try doing a small cook down here. I haven't cooked on this thing all year this year, and I think tomorrow's the time. So anyway, that's kind of what I'm up to. Probably not going to get that electric run today. It's getting kind of late. It's going on, I don't know what time it is. Going on, I think 4 o'clock or 4:30 or something. Leanna, she's going to be home pretty soon, and we're having a decent supper tonight. And me, I meant to say this a little earlier. This stupid arm, I've mentioned it before, is it's my shoulder, and I'm going to have shoulder surgery on November 27th. So as far as working on the brown truck, I don't know if I'm going to be able to do it. I woke up the other night and just tried to I have a nightstand by my side of the bed, and I couldn't even raise my arm. I had to use my other hand under my elbow of my left arm to get my arm up so I could get hold of my phone. And I went and I saw the surgeon guy 2 days ago, I guess, and that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do surgery on the 27th of November, day before Thanksgiving. So yay! Can't wait for that. And it sounds like it's kind of a long recovery from that too. So anyway, that's kind of what's going on here right now. Not a whole lot. Trying to get some stuff done in this building. I'd like to make a video in here and see how the audio is, lighting, and everything. One thing with the windows over here, it does let sun in, and that'll help with lighting and also heating the place up. But I think it'll be pretty fun doing a little cooking down here, especially if I can keep it warm in here in the wintertime. It's kind of a neat little place to be. Nobody's probably been in here this long for decades, but trying to get her going. And I brought the smoker down, just electric smoker. Brought it down here, put it in here. Probably bring the grill and stuff down too. I can always go outside, right outside here, and do that. And I think it'll be kind of fun. So I'm trying to get that channel going. But just thought I'd give you an update on what's going on around here. The old brown truck out there, you can't even see it very good. The windows are so dirty. Yeah, I don't know. God, I wanted to start working on that. We'll see how things go, and go from there. I've got to change oil in Leanna's car and stuff here, which that's going to be bad enough. And then I get this surgery done, and I don't know. Well, it sounds like I'm going to be kind of laid up for a little while, but maybe I can do something and come down here and cook anyway. It sounds like I'm not going to be able to use my arm hardly at all. I'm supposed to start physical therapy right after surgery. Well, it's going to be like the next week, but I don't know. They gave me a sling to wear for now, just so I don't do stupid stuff, because I tell them just even reaching into the refrigerator, I don't think about it until it's too late, and then it just hurts like heck. But that's enough of that. That's coming up. Good times. But want to give you a little update. Haven't put anything out there for, I don't know what it's been. A week, maybe 2. I really don't know. But yeah, I'd like to work on that. I just can't do it right now. So anyway, working down here off and on, and try to get a little bit more electric set up. Definitely at least 1, maybe 2 lights, and get the TV in here. So Anyway, guys, I hope you're having a good day, and if you would subscribe to my other channel. I'm trying to get that channel up and going. I don't need a whole lot more subscribers. I need watch time, but I don't need a lot more subscribers, and I can monetize that channel. But anyway, if you would, give this video a big old thumbs up. Comments go down below. Subscribe if you haven't already. And we'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.